Gonna look for target lows for bear market KCS, and just realize that the exchange coins, I mean, since their inception, they've been a pretty freaking solid play from a DCA slash investor standpoint. I'm not claiming much from are they great are they great to trade? You know, what were all my projections here? How did I do? Let's go back. I don't even remember doing this. Let's see. Let's see how close I was. So I started making my guess back here, and the closest one was probably these were all the options on how it would behave around origin lines and 10. And that wasn't too bad. I almost got that almost exactly. That was pretty freaking close. Yeah, that was so I was using back here the weekly 10 and this origin line how it would behave. So I throw in the weekly 10, it was probably like creeping up to it or something. What? No, it was not. I just based off this origin line. That wasn't a bad guess, but then again I did make 3 guesses. Um, okay. Bottom targets. So these have been pretty good plays historically from a DCA perspective. And I do have some personal interest, like throughout 2023, to start getting into some KCS, and for the benefits it does, because I enjoy the Kucoin, especially during altcoin bull runs and Bitcoin bull runs. Kucoin is like the place to be. It is the place to be. All right, I would say and see this is when Bitcoin bottomed, and technically this also bottomed at the same time because this is higher and this is a higher low, but it still just went. I mean, look how long this was. But Cardano made a new. That's 680 days, but it didn't go lower. That's what I was talking about for me. A lot of coins just go lower. That's on after this long consolidation. That's over a year after Bitcoin bottoms. You likely get a long consolidation that spikes down. Um, I I'm trying to figure out, do I think this bottom origin line was going to hold up or not? So what I'm going to do to try to get a better guess, just structurally, it kind of looks like it will, but I need to add some point of relativity so I can better manage my guess. So from top to bottom, an exchange coin, I don't think they're going to go down 98%. I would guess between 92 to 96. That's bottom line is, by the time it gets there, it's only 80%. Ugh, maybe, but that I don't think that's probable. So I'm gonna add some origin lines there. Um, I don't think that. In most coins, if you take their bottom origin line, like what it was the bottom, most of them are way below it. And even Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 4 origin lines past what the bottom used to be, right? On the origin line perspective. So it's not like bad. It's actually kind of strong right now. This asset's holding up just honestly really, really well. This is kind of impressive. It's only down 70%. I would say this is a better target over time. And that's still only down 88%. I would... Is it going to fall off a cliff? It's got to fall off a cliff to get down there. What is it? It's holding on to something. I can't tell what this is holding on. It's being defended. And again, this could be KuCoin's money itself, like holding up its own coin. This might not be actual investors doing this, but even if you were to make claim, then an exchange is using its own flat position to protect its its native token. Even though I'm not making that claim, it's a possibility. They're going to do it off technicals, and even in that case, they would stop doing it if that technical is broken. So I'm trying to see where it's the monthly closures. So the monthly closures right here and right here are being defended. So once those are broken, that's when whoever or whatever groups, or even just mass market psychology defending that, then you're going to accelerate down. Not all in one day, but rather the general trajectory, because the slope of this average descent is not that steep. So look, this is what I'm talking about. So that slope is this steep, right? But after this line, you're going to get it's not going to be here. It's not going to keep that slope. It's going to go down faster. That makes sense? But it likely won't happen until after that line. After 750 is broken. It will be the same hour it's broken? No, it could go below it, use it as, use this. So price could go below this bad boy, then come back, use it as resistance, consolidate resistance, and then flood down. It's not all at the same time. But in general terms, around 750 is your pivot when bulls are going to stop defending this bad boy. And then let's go to February of 2023, just a guess of Bitcoin bottom, like another capitulation, all that happens. I would guess 315. There you go. Next year. That would be my guess. For bear market bottoms for the bear market of 2023 for KuCoin.